Good day, beautiful people. I'm Justina and welcome back to my channel, Diynaturalskincare Skincare. So today, let's make a super cool, I'm super excited about this project, super cool Oleogel gel to milk cleanser, face cleanser. So the main ingredient of the Oleogels are the Sucragel. Sucragel is a gelling agent and as well as emulsifier. So this works. It's like gelling agent, yeah, and it calls gel to milk cleanser. So how this is gonna work? Our final product gonna look like gel consistency, gel see-through consistency, very nice. And then when we will take it on, put it in our palm and mix it with water, it's gonna turn to milk. This sounds very nice and it's actually magical. So we put it and it's gonna turn to milk, and then we're gonna clean our face, and it's gonna our skin will look and feel soft and silky. So this is the main ingredient, okay? Sucragel. So I have weighted out a Sucragel already. That's how it looks. It's a see-through gel consistency, as you see. So I have it here weighted out already. 12.5 grams, as usual. The whole formula and recipe you will find in the description box below. So have it here weighed out Sucragel. Then what we're gonna need a oil. I have in here weighted out my Rosehip Oil, which just has deep, like kind of yellow or light orange color, as you see. I love Rosehip Oil. It has so many great benefits. It's full of antioxidants, of vitamins A, B, and E. It's a super oil and it's very good for your skin. So that's what I'm gonna use this for. If you don't like, or if you don't have a Rosehip Oil, use some other light oil. It could be grapeseed oil is very good, as well as sweet almond oil, jojoba oil, fractioned coconut oil if you wish to use. Just stay away from heavy oils, which is not gonna absorb into the skin fast, and probably with heavy oils they will be harder to wash off of your face, okay? Then another one which I'm gonna use, it's Mandarin Essential Oil, 1% of Mandarin Essential Oil. It has a lovely smell and it goes hand in hand with this great color which just comes from Rosehip Oil. So Mandarin Essential Oil. And of course we're gonna add some vitamin E, because this is oil, this formula, it's oil-based formula. We don't need any preservative. It's super easy, cold process method, super simple, requires only few ingredients. So that's why we're gonna add some vitamin E. And to this, because the Sucragel, it suspends very well little particles, so we're gonna do like a little exfoliant. For the little exfoliant, I chosen to put some of the ground coffee. Ground coffee is here, as you see. So ground coffee, make sure you are putting very fine ground coffee or jojoba beet or some fruit seed beads, you know, very fine particles, because it's gonna be for your face, okay? If you're gonna do like for the body or something, you can use something else, like a sugar or some sea salt or something, anything else. So for the face, use only small little particles, because our face skin is super sensitive, it's super thin, you know, be careful about that. And as well, what we're gonna need, I have in here a little pump bottle, a little glass pump bottle here, which we're gonna transfer everything in it, and as well, glass rod, which we're gonna do the stirring, a lot of stirring gonna involve, and a pipette. So the process is pretty simple, but the thing is that it's gonna take some time to do it. So just the thing is, be patient with it, because the first few times when I was experimenting with this, I was really getting, after 5 minutes of doing it, I was getting impatient. So the thing is, just take it. I took it after 3 or 4 times of doing this, experimenting with this. Then finally I took it as kind of meditative process, you know, going slowly, put your favorite music or podcast or something, and just be in this whole process yourself. It's a really cool process. It takes some time. It's gonna take about a half hour or something. Well, you're gonna see it, how long it's gonna take. So, no further ado, let's go and make this amazing Oleogel cleanser. So first, what things I wanted to do, I just want to add my essential oil and vitamin E into rosehip oil, okay? So I'm just putting onto the scales, tearing out the scales, and I'm putting my essential oil, which is 0.5%. 0.5 and vitamin E as well, 0.5 not percent, grams, it's a 1% of the formula, and vitamin E 0.5 grams as well. Taking out the scales, mixing everything together, because vitamin E, it's very thick liquid and it's a lovely like yellow color here. Okay, so this is all in here, ready to go. So what we're gonna do now, before we starting adding with pipette, okay, slowly, little by little, okay, drop by drop with pipette into our Sucragel. Before we're adding to do this, what we need to do first, as you see, this is gel consistency, see-through, lovely gel consistency. This doesn't really smell of anything. What we need to do, we need to stir it with the glass rod just to make it sure it turns to milk, okay? It's gonna get milk consistency. So let's do this. Well, it's been a minute or two, so mix Sucragel till it will get cloudy, as you see. It's not see-through anymore. It's a bit cloudy, so now it's ready, and the process is very simple. You take in a pipette, taking a little bit of your mixture with essential oils, vitamin E and your oil, literally putting a 1 drop in and mix it. Mixing at the beginning, it's gonna be drop by drop, and it's gonna take a lot of time, okay guys? But that's a process, just be in the process. It's gonna take time, but the result's gonna be awesome, okay? Mixing very well, as you see. Again, 1 drop, 2 drops, and again, mixing very well. And that's how it is. Just keep mixing, guys. It's gonna take some time, keep mixing. I'm not gonna be with you now. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna pause the video, turn on my music, and just gonna add drop by drop. Okay guys? So that's the process. It's pretty simple, it just takes some time. So guys, if you have a little like an electric blender, do use it, because you might find that your hand is gonna be tired like mine did. So I remember that I have one, although I don't use it in the kitchen or somewhere else. So we're gonna do with this. Hello, welcome back. Finally, after a lot of hard work, I did use my mixer. You should use it too, highly recommend it. Even with the mixer, it's gonna take some time, and look what I've got here. Ah, the sun is shining. Look at this vibrant yellow color. It smells amazing. Choose the essential oils, which just really smells lovely. So this is Mandarin Essential Oil. And now what I wanted, and its consistency just like this, as you see. And now what I want to do, I just want to add some of the coffee grounds, just to mix it very well. And what we're gonna do then, we're gonna just transfer into our container. Lovely smell. You can smell the coffee as well. I love the smell of the coffee. Look at this beauty. The sun is shining, you cannot see it. Lovely. Now, what we're gonna do, we're just trying to transfer this into this container. It's a kind of bit thick consistency. If you see that for your chosen packaging, the consistency is too thick, add some water or some glycerin. But if you're gonna add some water and glycerin, make sure you're gonna add some preservative. So adjust your formula. In the description box below, I'm gonna leave a formula without water and glycerin, and I'm gonna leave a formula with the water, glycerin, and preservative too. Okay, let's see what we have here. Perfect. So this, as you see, is gel consistency, and now we're just gonna add some water. And with water, it turns into milk. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. This is a really cool thing to do. It requires a lot of patience and a lot of time, but do go for it, do it. You can make such a beautiful colors, or you can add some colors from the micas or other natural colorants. This color came from Rosehip Essential Oil, Rosehip Oil, carrier oil, and Mandarin Essential Oil, so you don't need anything to add. And I add a little bit of coffee grounds. You don't have to do this as well. So, and it smells lovely, and it's such a good for your skin, and it's all natural products. So like this video, share it, and I'll see you next week. Bye.